I love the smell of mint. I have it in my body wash, body spray, body lotion, massage oils, room spray, you name it. I just love how cool, invigorating, relaxing, and refreshing this scent is. If you also like the scent of peppermint, please keep on watching because I'm going to show you how to make your own glass cleaner with peppermint oils. Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle and today we're going to make our very own natural glass cleaner with peppermint essential oils. Peppermint has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's also a natural pest repellent. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
The materials we need are 2/3 cup of distilled water, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, 5 drops of peppermint essential oil, 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, and a spray bottle. To make your natural glass cleaner, combine the ingredients starting with your distilled water, your white vinegar, and then your essential oils. You can store this glass cleaner for up to a month. You can spray this on any glass surface like your mirrors, glass tables, windows, or your shower doors. Wipe from top to bottom.
And that's how easy it is to make our own glass cleaner with peppermint essential oils. For more cleaning tips, you can follow us on our Facebook page, Instagram, subscribe to this channel, or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!